What's going on, guys? Nolan here from Neurotic RC. Today I am showing you guys how to solder a cap pack, aka a capacitor pack, for your drag car or whatever you need for your RC car. For me, I'm using it for my RC drag car. I got the team associated DR10, and I needed a cap pack because it would the voltage would drop a bunch when I would do a burnout or get off the line, and it would slow way down. So cap pack will help eliminate that issue. And so I'm using all the stock electronics on the DR10, and as you can see, I soldered the two wires to the cap pack. I also have these two wires cut open so I can solder the battery connector. So I'm going to solder the battery connector like this, basically. Then these two wires are going to go to the ESC on the DR10. So what you'll need, some brass wire, soldering gun, some tip tinner, solder, of course, and you can use some flux if you'd like. And so these are fairly big wires, so I'm going to use a little bit of flux. So I need to pre-tin these wires real quick. If you guys would like a tutorial on how, like just the beginners on how to solder, let me know, and I will do a little video on what you need to do to solder. So best tip you can have for soldering is having a cleaner tip will make your soldering way easier. So cleaner the tip, easier to solder. Putting a little bit of solder on the actual soldering iron helps a lot, helps transfer heat. You have a little bit on there, really heat up very, very quickly. As you can see, that was way quicker. Okay, so got those pre-tinned. They are very hot, so be careful. Let them cool a little bit. Okay, so then I'm gonna tin these bare spots as well. Pre-tin them. Gotta always clean your soldering iron. Sweet. Okay, so looks basically like that right now. So I got it heat shrinked. Looks actually fairly nice. Now let's get the DR10 out here. Here's the DR10. So we got these wires right here. These two little wires right here. Here. We're gonna solder these, ba-boom, like that. Easy. So without further, I'm not gonna pre-tin these big wires because I'm gonna kind of slide these other wires over so it's got the best connection. That should all work right there. That's a good connection on both ends. Very strong. It's not gonna come off. So I'd say it's got a good connection. All the wires are all soldered together, so it should try. See. Should hopefully work. And there we go. So you can see it works. A little tedious. A couple different ways you can do it, but I think no way is a wrong way. And do whatever that works for whatever you're trying to do. But for a drag car, this is not, of course, not the greatest way, but you always want the cap pack, if you can, always on the board, right where the actual main battery solders are. But I got this like that, so it should still theoretically work the same. But I'm not going to really, I don't want to take this off because this, I mean, this is on there really nicely and I don't want to mess with it and lose its adhesion. But like that, it's pretty nice. Works pretty well. But I hope you guys learned something new. If you have any questions, please just leave it in the comments and I'm more than happy to answer them. But thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you have a great rest of your day or night. Peace.